미주 한인재단은 앞으로 미국에 살고 있는 코리안 아메리칸들이 어떻게 앞으로의 100년을 살아나갈지에 대한 그런 이정표를 설정하고 연구하는 그런 모임으로 시작된 것입니다. 미주 한인의 날 코리안 아메리칸 데이는 정말 우리 미국에 살고 있는 미주 한인들에게는 뜻깊은 날이라고 생각을 합니다.
In 1903, we held our breath and took a leap of faith when we embarked on a journey into a new frontier, as strangers from a different shore, only to make this land our new home and become Americans. That year, we held on to what little we had and dreamt of a new beginning.
My father was Tusan An Chang-ho, who today is recognized as a patriot of Korea. He loved American democracy, and he knew that Korea had to be revitalized to be a democratic nation. And this is all the time that we were under the Japanese rule. The whole community at that time was independence movement oriented. We were all bound together to help, retain our country.
The first part of immigration history is filled with hard work, disappointment, and social discrimination. But those people were very, very strong-willed people. They had their cause. They did not fail. They did not give up and return to their back home, homeland, because they had a mission to remain, to do their best to regain their country that was taken away. They succeeded in that, but they sacrificed their life to do it.
Our forebears sweated and toiled in the hot fields, growing plums and peaches for plantation owners, and fields that one day they would own. They endured discriminating immigration acts only to overcome them. They did not know that their struggle to survive and their efforts to achieve would be laying a foundation for the next generation of Korean Americans.
Back in early 60s, I have noticed Korean businesses popping up along Olympic Boulevard. And a lot of commercial signs coming up was very crude. Some of my hand-painted sign and so forth. As a young man who grew up in LA area, totally deprived of Korean culture, that was such a beautiful thing. It was like a dream. My Korean language popping up and Korean merchandise are being displayed, and gradually it became and turned into more professional scale. The economy was getting better, and the Koreatown was shaping into a regular booming city streets.
저는 1981년도 9월에 미국에 오게 되었습니다. 미국 오게 된 동기는 제가 한국에서 주식을 투자를 하다가 손해를 보고 돈이 없어가지고 갈 집도 없고 미국으로 가가지고 새 삶을 한번 살아볼까 하고 그래 미국으로 오게 되었습니다. 미국에 와가지고 무작정 길거리에서 무엇을 장사를 하고 팔아야 되겠다고 생각하고 해서 선택할 여지도 없는 그런 조건에서 가방을 팔게 되었고, 팔다 보니까 내 공장을 또 갖게 되고 그렇게 점차적으로 이제 발전도 하게 되고, 모든 거는 하루아침에 이루어지지 않으니까 차곡차곡 하면서 한 단계 한 단계씩 밟아가면서 자기가 원하는 길로 가도록 그러한 인내와 노력이 필요하다고 생각합니다.
In the midst of a fiery night, my family is crying of a dream torched and burned into a fiery sky, lit during a fiery time. Under burning lips and blackened tears, a searing heart, I felt and saw those Korean eyes and Korean faces and Korean futures going up into a smoke-filled night. Tanks and camouflage foot patrol, the boys in blue, protecting nothing within our borders. We had to fend for ourselves that night. For me, my mom, my dad, my K-Town, my people, they were dying that night. And they were dying that night. Because they were dying that night, and they were dying that night. Because the stores were crumbling. And the looters were stealing our dreams. And the babies were wondering where our mommies and daddies were. And all I could see was a mass of degenerates wiping away our life. They burned everything that my family's bony fingers and back-breaking spine built. They burned everything that night. Where did we go wrong? Why did they hate us? How could this happen, God? Saigu, where were you?
LA riot was a devastating thing. I never expected I would witness something like that in my life. You may destroy property, but you do not destroy people's resolve. Korean Americans here are people with a purpose. They did not give up. They came back with a resolve and rebuilt it. Koreatown rose again, and it stands more beautifully, more firmly. It shines in the rising sunlight every morning.
The Korean American community is growing. We continue to progress and embrace the rich diversity and complexity of not only the American society, but also the diversity within Korean Americans themselves.
모든 한국 사람들도 이제 사회 활동을 좀 했으면 좋겠다. 그 마음이 있지요. 뭐 사회 활동하는 거 얼마나 좋아요. 남을 위해서 봉사하는 거. 그거는 나이에 상관없어요. 내가 관심만 있으면 나이가 문제가 아니에요. 다민족이 살잖아요. 세계 각국 인종이 다 모였고 피부색도 다르고 언어도 다르지만은 딱 이렇게 말을 해야 되는 것이 아니고 서로 느낌으로써 그 사람 얼굴 표정으로 눈동자로서 그 느낌으로 알 수 있어요. 뭐 이게 말하는 것만은 못하지만은 그렇게 해서 서로 통하고 대화하고 나이 먹었지만은 활동한다는 게 너무 감사하고요. 좀 자랑스럽지 않은가. 한국 사람으로서 미국 사회에 체면이 세지 않아요. 나쁜 짓 하지 말고. 그죠?
I joined about 200,000 Korean adoptees across the world. I came and joined a family that had already adopted a child from Korea, a white couple in a very tiny town in northern Indiana, about 500 people. So we were the only non-white people for miles and definitely stood out in a crowd. As an adoptee growing up in an all-white area, there's a lot of pressure to sort of fit in. So a lot of Korean adoptees aren't really interested in being more Korean. They're actually wanting to be more white. So a lot of adoptees might talk about the disconnect between looking in the mirror and realizing you're Korean and on a day-to-day basis, sort of forgetting that growing up. When I came to LA, it's amazing to try to explain the sense of relief I felt. To be with a group of people who look like you. The Korean community was so warm to me and welcoming and so gracious in teaching me, and I think I was with a really great community there. I began to sort of feel this sort of strange, warm feeling when I saw Koreans. How do I define myself now? Because I have actually met my birth family. I was able to find them a few years ago. And how do I now, at this point, move forward? I'm in a Korean organization. I'm working with the Korean community. I just recently was elected to the Wilshire Center Koreatown Neighborhood Council. It's a whole different world for me to figure out how do I begin to relate to the Korean part of myself and merge that with the Midwestern American, Indiana, Cornhusk family, that I grew up in.
Your face is never going to change. You just have to recognize the fact that there's Korean blood in you. And then if you look back into your history, you find that there's a tie that you cannot just discard. So you have to along the way recognize that you're American, but you still have to adhere to your heritage.
To be American, I can definitely say I am in every way, but I will always be Korean American. But I think to be Korean American is to realize that I do come from a rich community and a rich heritage, and with a group of people that have something to offer, and that those differences I want to maintain in terms of cultural differences because it enriches the world.
우리 1세들이 지금 현재 닦아가고 있는 이 이민 생활을 우리 2세들이 앞으로 잘 이어받고 더 개발하고 해가지고 미국 주류 사회 안에서 주인공으로 살아갈 수 있는 앞으로 이어받을 이분들이 지금부터 함께 일을 하는 그러한 관계를 저희들이 형성을 했습니다.
We are more than just a reflection of the past. We are a positive glimpse into the vast future. On January 13th, we celebrate not only our immigration from Korea, but we celebrate with surpassing pleasure and pride our lasting heritage and history as Korean Americans.
없지만 오늘도 난 걸어가고 있네. 사람들은 길이 다 정해져 있는지 아니면 자기가 자신의 길을 만들어가는지 알 수 없지만 이렇게 또 걸어